Namaste, children. Children, in last class, we discuss, we learn expanded form, short form, place value, and face value. Okay. Now, today we are going to, the concept is comparison of numbers. To compare the numbers, we find smallest number and the greatest number. So, and all the numbers, the given numbers are compared to all the numbers, we make to ascending order and descending order. Okay. So now to compare the numbers, always begin with the leftmost place. Leftmost place. Okay. When start the comparison of numbers, first 1000, because you have learn 4-digit numbers. Okay. So the biggest value is 1000. First we compare thousands. Okay. After the compare, so which number using the symbols, it is smaller than and then greater than, or the values are all the numbers are all the values are equal using this symbol is equal. Is it right? Okay. So now first, so how to using the symbol, the which number is smaller, that side we show the arrow mark. So that side we show the arrow side, that number is smaller. Okay. So now first compare to thousands, and then the thousands are same, go to 100. So when thousand hundreds also equal, go to tens. Tens also equal, go to ones. Okay. Now, so now go for first start from thousands. Okay. So now thousands, here what is the number 1005, here what is the number is 1005. So thousands are equal, the thousand values are equal, is equal symbol. Is it right? Now when thousands are equal, which number we can check, go for the 100 place. Okay. So now in this number having 100 is 2. In this number having the number is 900 plus is 9. Which number is smaller? The 2 is small. Which number is greater? 9 is the greater. So now which number is smaller? That side we show the arrow mark. Okay. So now this number compared to the, so 5282 and 5930. Which number is smaller? This number is smaller. That said, we show the arrow mark. How to read this number? 5282 is less than 5930. Okay. So now, so we can understand for which number is first we can compare to the thousands, and then hundreds, and then tens, and then ones goes on. We can continue the concept. Okay. So now did you understand this concept? I will go to the examples. Okay. So understand? Okay. Now go to the second one. Shall I go for next one example? Okay. I will go to the next example. Third one. Fourth one. Okay. Now compare the digits and then using the symbol greater than, smaller than, and equal. Okay. So now first compare to the thousands. So when thousands are equal, 100 place, tens place, ones place, goes so on. Okay. Now thousands has to be compared first. Here 6,000, here 8,000. Which one is smaller? 6,000 is smaller. Is it right? So that side we have to show the arrow mark. So we read this number 6,347 is less than 8,420. Now go for the second one. So now here 4-digit number, here 3-digit number. Which number is greater? Which number is greater digit? So 4-digit number is greater. Okay, the smaller is 3-digit number. So here 1,088, 876 is the smaller. Okay, so now this number is smaller. That side we show the arrow mark. Okay, so now go for the fourth one. So compared to the first thousands has to be compared. Here 9,000, here 6,000. Which number is greater? So 9,000 is the greater. Smaller is 6,000 is smaller. So now which number is smaller? 6,436 is the smaller. That side we show the arrow mark. Okay, so now here all the digits are equal. Here 2009, here 2009. Okay, so now compared to the all the digits are same, so we can using the equal. Okay, understand students? So first we can compare the thousands, and then thousands are same, go for to the hundreds are same, go to the hundred, tens, and tens are same, go to the ones places. So when all the places are equal, go is equal to has to be easy, symbol is equal. So okay, comparing the digits is, this is the way. Okay, so now go to creating the 4-digit numbers. So we write the greatest and smallest digit number using the given digits. The digits has to be given, so we can write the smallest number and greatest number. Okay, now okay children, so comparison numbers, what is the use? Used to find the which number is greater, which number is smaller, and then arrange it in ascending order and descending order easily. Okay, now creating 4-digit numbers, creating the 4-digit number. So how to creating the 4-digit number? So the question has to be in this type of questions, so digits has to be given. Okay, digits are given, so using these digits make the smallest number and greatest number. So you have here ascending order and descending order concept. Okay, that concept is, you know, that is easy to make the greatest number and smallest number. Okay, so first what I'm writing in the board, first I will read it. Write the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number using the given digits. The given digits are there here, and then make the smallest number and greatest number. How to make the smallest number and greatest number? So we using these digits make the smallest number. The digits are right in ascending order. Ascending order, that is called as smallest number. Okay, smallest number how to make? So the digits are right in the ascending order. Smallest ascending, small to big, we arrange the numbers, the digits, that is called as ascend, that is called it becomes smallest number. So how to greatest number? The write the digits in descending order. Greatest start from greatest to small, great to small, so we can find the greatest number and smallest number. So now here using, we write the smallest number, greatest number, don't use the comma. Okay, what is the number has to write it. Okay, so now, so I'm already told write the smallest number in, the digits are right in the ascending order. So now ascending order, so smallest number first, which number is smaller here? 3. Next, which number is smaller? 3 over. Next 5. Next, which number is smaller? 5 over. Next 6. 7. So that is 3,567 is smaller. Now the numbers are right in the descending order. These digits are writing in the descending order. Okay, so now write it. Descending order. Which number is first? Descending order 6. Sorry, no, sorry. Which number is greater? Which number is greater here? 7 is the greater. 7 is the greater. Next, which number is greater? 6. Next, 5 and 3. So this is the greatest and smallest number. The numbers are arranged in, the digits are arranged in ascending order. That is, it becomes smallest number. The numbers are, the digits are used, arranged in the descending order. We get the smallest number. Now, so go for the second one example. Okay, 4,800. So sorry, 4801. Here 0 is there. So what we do? So just wait. Okay, now when the 0 is there, before next number is smaller. Which number is smaller? So that we have to find out. 0 we have to using, that is completely 3-digit number. Not for, don't use the first place of the making the smallest number and greatest number. Okay, when the smallest number we make using the second place of 0. Okay, so Guruji, when the first place we have to using, what happen? So okay, Guruji, so we write it 0. Okay, 1, 4, 8. It is not a 4-digit number. So it is a 3-digit number because 0 is no value in the first place of. So we can consider it is 3-digit number, not for the 4-digit number. We make the 4-digit number in the second place. So in the second place means in the 100 place. We put in the 100 place. That is called as 4-digit number. Okay. So now when the 0 is there, we have to use in the second place. Before next after the which number is smaller, that we have to find out and put the 0. Okay, so now which number is smaller now? First 0, don't take on the 0. Next, which number is smaller? 1. Now we use 0. Okay, now we have to using 0. Next, which number is smaller? 4. Next, 8. What is the number? 1048. It is a 4-digit number. Okay, now go for greatest number. So we can use to the greatest number is no problem. Okay, smallest number is there, so that has to be using to the follow the rules. Okay, so now which number is here? Which number is greater? Now first 8. Next 4. Next 1 0. 8,410. Next go to the third one example. So here 0 is there? No. So no, 0 is not there. We have to easily write the number. Okay. So now, okay. So now go to the number. Okay. Now which number is smaller? 2, 3, 7 and 9. So 2,397 is the smaller. Now go to the greatest number. So it is smallest number. Now write the greatest number. Greatest number write arranged in big to small, descending order. So now 9, 7, 3, 2. Now go for fourth one. So now check the 0. 0 is there. So now, so when 0 is there, what we do? 0 after next number is smaller. Which number is smaller? 2 is smaller. First we should write 2. Then after 0. So when the 0 is first, what happened? It is 3-digit number, not for the 4-digit number. You have already know that. Okay. Now go for which number is smaller? 5. Next, which number is smaller? So finally 8. So 2058. So and then greatest number, that is no problem. You can easily write it 8, 5. Don't write the second place. Okay, when the 0, so we can write descending order, no problem. So in the greatest number, we can use to the next one. It is 2, it is 0. Okay, so the find the smallest number, the digits are in ascending order. It is called as smallest number. It becomes smallest number. The digits are arranged in descending order. That is, it becomes greatest number. When the 0 is there, using the smallest number in second place. Okay, the greatest number is 0 in the ones place. Okay, that has to be keep in the mind. We make smallest number and greatest number easily. Keep in the mind. Okay. So now your homework is exercise first C. Exercise first C. First main, fill in the blanks using greater than, smaller than, or equal, comparing the numbers. Now circle the greatest number. Which number is greater? Which number that has to be, circle the numbers. Next one, third main, circle the smallest number. Which number is smallest number? That number has to be circled. So okay. So now the circle the smallest number, and then which number? So find write the greatest and smallest four digit number using the given digits. So fourth man. So okay, that fourth man has to be right in the, find the answers. Okay, exercise first C. Okay, solve in the textbook and write in the one time HW. Okay, so today we are going to discuss comparison of numbers and creating the four digit numbers. Okay, okay, watch the video and exercise first has to be, first C has to be finished. Okay, thank you students. Dhanyavad.